So this is my favorite thing from the shop.
Okay, so I love expensive light fixtures that are way out of my budget. Like basket pendant lights. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Oh, yeah.
They're beautiful, and they're like $400 or $600. Anyway, they're outrageously.
Even if you go to the chain stores,
Yeah,
they're
expensive.
so expensive.
Yeah, and so I thought, I want to do this in a house, but I can't afford it, so how do we do it? And I got an antique basket at a thrift store. You put a little tape on the top so that it doesn't shred when you drill it, and then you drill a hole, like that, and then it's nice and neat.
You know what I love about this stuff? Like, I could legitimately do this.
Oh, yeah.
I am a DY
Anybody can do
challenged
this.
person.
And then
I'm a DIC. DI challenged.
Okay, so, and then you just get like a $15 pendant light kit from your local big box
Ace
store.
Hardware's where I go.
And
Look at that.
it's a light fixture. You just
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, and so with this, you want to make sure you use like an LED or a low heat bulb just because
Yeah, just for safety. LED bulbs keep it cool.
Right.
Keep it cool.
Yeah.
Keep it cool,
Keep it
man.
cool.
Yeah.
Keep it cool.